Hello student, welcome to all of you. Student, this is lesson 20 and 21st. I mean to say, in this video I will cover two chapter. First of 20, which name is finite and non-finite verbs, and the second is 21st, the infinitive. So let's see what is the finite and non-finite verbs. So as it is given, verbs are divided into finite and non-finite verbs. So here is the two category of the verbs. So first is the finite and the second one is the non-finite. So let's see what is the finite verbs. A finite verb is bound by tense and must agree with the number and person of its subject. So जो finite verbs होते हैं ये it is used according to the subject, number, tense and persons. As the example is given, Raghav has a new bag. So Raghav a singular noun या singular subject and third person. Next is the read the following sentence. Advitya and the Agastya are swimming. So in the above sentences, the verbs are swimming is in the third person, plural as it is used for two subjects in the third person. It is in the present continuous tense. Juhi is singing on the stage. So here is in the sentence has, that is a kind of finite verbs because it is used according to the subject, number and person. So this above sentence has a verb in the third person singular to correspond with the singular subject. It is in the present continuous tense. So has the verbs that is used according to the number, person, tense, that is also bound by the tense. It is all come into the finite verbs. So there is another verb, that is the non-finite verb. So what is the non-finite verb? Non-finite verbs are not bound by the rules of the subject verb agreement. Means these kind of verbs are not used according to the number, person, tense या subject. They are not bound by any kind of rules of the subject verb agreement. As like the example given here, Pavni is learning to sing. So to sing is the non-finite, because as you can see, without a finite verb a sentence cannot make a complete sense, but a non-finite verb is generally an extension of a sentence and can be left out. The sentence will still be complete. So without the non-finite, a sentence will still be complete. So student, here is some other examples. As you can see, read the following sentence. She loves dancing, we love dancing. She likes to dance, we like to dance. So these the colored words, dancing, dance. These are a kind of a non-finite verbs because they don't follow any kind of subject verb agreement rules. As you can see here written in the above sentence, the form of the verb dancing does not change for the plural and first person we, nor does to dance change for we. So the subject and the finite verbs are independent. The non-finite verb has no such relationship with the subject. And you know, non-finite verbs are categorized into three parts. First is the infinitive, second the participle, and third is the gerund. So here is the example, exercises that I have filled, and you all have to fill it in the books that I will send you through the homework. So let's see the next chapter, the infinitive. Infinitive is also the part of the non-finite verbs. As you can see here, the non-finite verbs are divided into three parts. First the infinitive, second the participle, third the gerund. So let's see the infinitive in the 21st chapter. So student, this is lesson 21st, the infinitive. It is also the part of, it is not also, in fact it is a part of non-finite verbs. So let's see what is the infinitive. As the definition is given in the box, the infinitive is a non-finite verb which is generally preceded by to. It is a kind of noun which with certain features of the verb. So it is a kind of noun which have a character of verb also, and it is always used with to. You know, to is always come with the before the verb. As you can see, Soha loves to dance. So to dance is the infinitive. Dance, the verb to, that is necessary to use before it. In the above sentence, loves is a finite verb but to dance has no subject. It is also not bound by any number, person या tense. It is thus called the infinitive. So let's see the infinitive. The infinitive which consists of the words to plus verb simply names an action is used mostly as a complement of the verb and sometimes as a subject. So sometimes it is used as a verb and sometimes it is used as a subject of a sentence. As like, do you ask him to come? So here is to come is the infinitive, and in the second sentence he asked me to sing. So yes, to sing is the infinitive. So where we can use the infinitive, as it is given here, the infinitive is used to join sentences. So we have, if we have to join any sentence, then we can use the infinitive. As like, Pallavi went to the cinema. She wanted she wanted to see the movie. So if we want to join this sentence, so we can use it like this: Pallavi went to the cinema to see the movie. So here to see, it is the infinitive. Next is, the infinitive can be used to substitute for so that. Means if you have to remove the so that, so there you can use the infinitive. As like, the sums are so difficult that I cannot solve them. So the sums are too difficult to solve. So here infinitive is used as a substitute of so that. So student, here is given exercise and it is asked that underline the infinitive in each of the sentence. So here is to reach, to understand, to advise, to error, to take off, to accept, to go, to obey, that is given in each of the line. So these are the kind of, in fact it is the infinitive, and here is the sentences that I have filled and you all have to fill in your book. I will send this through the app. Okay, till then you have to repeat and revise. Thank you.